Okay. So we are using a couple path lights on this project. One area we're going to use them is just to kind of create some balance in between. We're lighting up some of the architectural stone pillars on the front of the house, and then in between we're throwing a couple path lights from place to place, just so as you're looking at it from the street or the sidewalk, there's a nice balance of light between the uplights on the pillars and then some of the garden lighting that's going to be down below. So that's primarily where we're going to be using path lights in this area. And as always, we try and use as few as possible unless it makes sense. And in this case, we've got about 6 to 8 path lights that are just going to create a nice balance of light throughout this property. So the last thing we're going to show you is how to connect your fixtures. So at every fixture you're going to have two connectors, and we use these BVS2 snap lock ones because they're gel filled, they keep the water out, and they easily snap down on the wires to keep them from pulling apart, which is important so that you're not having to go redo connections down the road. But basically the way this works is pretty simple. With low voltage direct burial cable, there is no positive and no negative charges, so it doesn't matter which two wires get connected, but you'll have your wire that comes into your fixture and then your wire that keeps going to the next fixture. All you have to do is take one wire for each of those and then one wire from your fixture, because you're gonna have two, and then you connect those together. So basically you just slide them into the ports. And your fixture wire. Snap them tight, and then those won't pull apart, and then you do the same thing for the other set of wires into the ports. Your fixture wire, snap that down, and then that's it, your fixture's wired. And always, just for a little extra added measure, you probably don't need to, but just to be safe, I always throw a little electrical tape on the base just to help and really make sure those wires don't pull apart.